to Yellowstone Park, and I'm going to go in there and head towards West Yellowstone. It's about 20 miles through the park, and I go back out of the park again and head down to West Yellowstone. It's pretty chilly. I've just taken a picture myself, and my hands are pretty numb now. I'm going to put the video camera away and get walking and try and warm my fingers up, and hopefully meet up with a person in about 5 or 6 hours, a lady called Mary Sue from the Chamber of Commerce at West Yellowstone. Right, okay, so actually Yellowstone Park, here we come.